Exercise 12.2. Today I'll continue with question number 6. A chord of a circle of radius 15 cm subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find the areas of the corresponding minor and major segments of the circle. They told us to use pi 3.14 and root 3 1.73. Radius r is 15 cm. Sector angle theta 60 degree. Therefore, area of the minor segment formula pi theta by 360 minus sin theta by 2 into r square. Pi is 3.14 into 60 by 360 minus sin 60 by 2 into radius 15 into 15 because of square 2 times centimeter square. 66 is 360 by 2 you can cancel it. So it is remaining 1.57 by 3 minus sin 60 value is root 3 by 2. So upside root 3, downside 2 to the 4. Into 15 centimeter square. Now root 3 value, they told us to use 1.73. So 1.57 by 3 minus 1.73 by 4 into 15. LCM will be 12. 3 4s are 12. 4 into this 6.28 minus 4 3s are 12. 3 into this 5.19. Subtraction 1.09 by 12 into 15 centimeter square. By 3 you can cancel it, remaining multiply, it is coming 81.75 by 4 centimeter square. When you will divide this, your result will be 20.4375 centimeter square. Now for the same question, they are telling us to calculate area of the major segment. Area of the major segment formula, area of the circle minus area of the minor segment. Another formula directly also available, but since minor segment I found already, this is the minor segment answer. That's why you can continue. Area of the circle minus area of the minor segment. Pi r square minus 20.4375 centimeter square. Pi 3.14 into 15 centimeter square minus same result. This multiplication 706.5 minus 20.4375. After subtraction, your answer is 686.0625 centimeter square. Now question number 7. This is the only question where angle is given 120 degree. Since angle is given 120 degree, while using area of minor segment formula, sin 120 value we don't know up to class 10 level. That's why we'll be dealing with different technique. A chord of a circle of radius 12 cm subtends an angle 120 degree at the center. Find the area of the corresponding segment of the circle. They're telling us to calculate only minor segment, but angle is given 120, so direct formula we cannot use it. Pi, they told us to use this, and root 3 1.73. Now let us draw the sketch. AB is the chord, OA and OB both are the radius. OC you draw as a perpendicular from O over of AB. This central angle is given 120 degree, radius 12. Now radius R is 12 cm, that is OA and OB both are radius 12 cm. Sector angle theta 120 degree, that is angle AOB 120 degree. Now OC perpendicular to AB is drawn. Then let us select triangle ACO and triangle BCO. Make them congruent. Angle ACO and BCO both are matching because each angle is 90 degree. 90 opposite hypotenuse. So hypotenuse OA is equal to hypotenuse OB and OC is common. So I wrote here hypotenuse OA equals to hypotenuse OB. Reason will be radii of the same circle. OC equals to OC, that is common. Therefore triangle ACO and triangle BCO both are congruent by RHS congruency. Now both the triangles I made congruent by RHS congruency because angle 90 degree matching, hypotenuse also matching, and this side is common. So I made both the triangles congruent. If both the triangles are congruent, then angle AOC and angle BOC both are equal. If both are equal, whole angle is 120, then half will be 60. That I wrote here. Angle AOC is equal to angle BOC by CPCT. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. 120 by 2. So each measurement is coming 60 degree. Now, in right angle triangle ACO, look at the figure again. In right angle triangle ACO, this angle is 60. 60 opposite is perpendicular, base, hypotenuse. So first I'll go for base by hypotenuse, which is cos. So cos 60 is equal to OC by OA. And second I'll go for sin 60 because sin 60 will be perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is AC by OA, so that I can get the value. Now in right angle triangle ACO, cos 60 is equal to OC by OA. Cos 60 value 1 by 2 is equal to OC by 12 centimeter. By 2, 12 can be cancelled. OC is coming out 6 centimeter. Now sin 60, according to the sketch, as I have shown already, AC by OA. AC is perpendicular, OA is hypotenuse. So root 3 by 2 is equal to AC by 12 centimeter. 2 6 are 12. AC is equal to 6 root 3 centimeter. Now root 3 value is given in the question 1.73. After multiplication, AC we are getting 10.38 centimeter. Now since a perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to a chord bisects the chord, class 9 geometrical property, since perpendicular OC drawn from O towards the chord only, that's why it is to bisect the chord. If it is so, in the sketch AC and BC will be same measure, so AB should be equal to double of AC, because both are half of AC and BC, both are equal. Whenever a perpendicular drawn from the center of circle to a chord, it is to bisect the chord. Now AC measurement I found already. So AC double if I'll do, I'll be getting whole measurement AB. That I have done here. AB is equal to 2 into AC, 2 into 10.38, that is 20.76 centimeter. Therefore, area of the corresponding segment of the circle, that is minor segment actually, area of the sector minus area of the triangle AOB. Pi r square theta by 360 minus half into AB into OC. Now pi is given 3.14, radius 12 into 120 degree by 360 centimeter square, minus half into AB is 20.76 and OC is the height, that is 6 centimeter. Altogether it is centimeter square. By 2 this one can be cancelled, and then multiplication 62.28 is coming, and here 123 is a 360 by 3 you can cut this one, then multiply. Both you can subtract, answer is 88.44 centimeter square. Whenever angle is given, sector angle is given 120 degree, this is the actual concept of doing this. Directly we cannot do it. Now example 3. Find the area of the sector of a circle with radius 4, angle is given 30. Again find the area of the corresponding major sector. Pi is given. So radius r is equal to 4 centimeter, sector angle theta 30 degree. Area of the sector, this sector is minor sector. Nothing is written means minor. Pi r square theta by 360. 3.14 into 4 into 30 degree by 360. 0 cut, 3 12s are 36, 4 3s are 12. After multiplication we are getting 12.56 by 3 centimeter square. After division in decimal we are getting 4.19 centimeter square approximately, because it is coming 4.018 something. That's why in round figure, or just we are keeping after decimal 2 decimal places 2 digits, so 4.19 centimeter square approximately. And area of the major sector formula, directly we have pi r square into 360 minus theta by 360 degree. So 3.14 into 4 into 4, 360 minus 30. This subtraction is coming 330. Then go for cancellation. 0 cut. By 3 you can cut. Again by 4 you can cut. So remaining it is coming 138.16 by 3 centimeter square. After division we are getting 46.05 centimeter square. With this I'll conclude today.